Hello students, very good evening to all of you students. Students, this is a announcement video for our amendment lectures for the upcoming May 21 attempt. Students, this lectures I'm going to do it live with all of you at the Unacademy platform. Every one of you were asking sir about the amendment lectures and the amendment booklet, because that is something, an annual publication that we always have. So this is the amendment booklet that we have prepared very comprehensively for all of you. Now students, there are certain very important far-reaching amendments that has taken place. So my suggestion would always be like non-resident taxation. A lot of changes are there. Then thereafter, every one of you are aware that the entire scheme of the taxation of dividend has gone a big change. What was there earlier and what is there now is completely different. The TDS and TCS provision, students, the TDS and TCS provision you can see herein, that also has got a phenomenal change. Change not only in terms of the rate, but some very important amendments have been made. TCS provision also has got some very critical amendments that has been made. So I have prepared one of the most comprehensive booklet, students, and as the feature goes, a lot of charts, examples, tables has been used so as to make it one student friendly and facilitate you to revise the entire list of the area of the syllabus quickly. Faceless assessment and faceless scheme, faceless appeal, all that provision also, students, has got a great change. I think the new list has been created in respect of the faceless assessment, faceless appeal. So those are also being comprehensively covered, which we are going to cover it up in our amendment lecture also. So in our booklet, it covers everything. What is that you are supposed to know? Now, apart from that, now many students will say, sir, from where we will get this booklet, isn't it? Don't worry, students, I'm putting this in my Telegram channel, and we all know the Telegram channel, CA Durgesh Singh. So on 15th, you will find 15th of February, you go on this date, 15th of February 2021, and in this Telegram channel you will find this particular booklet, CA Durgesh Singh. Okay, so therefore you will find this particular amendment booklet PDF file over there. Now students, penalty provision, all that particular provision that you can find herein, e-penalty and everything has been there. Alternate tax regime, students, again a very important area of the amendment, because up till now, till last November 2020 attempt, we had only the concept of what? The alternate tax regime for a company. But now we also have the alternate tax regime for individual SSE, also for a cooperative society. So that is what, students, for the individual and the cooperative society, we are going to discuss through again the tables and all. A thorough analysis needs to be done, because students, I should tell you that the alternate tax scheme was not targeted in November, neither in November nor in Jan 21 attempt. When it is for the company, even the company alternate tax regime is equally very important. The company alternate tax regime, students, is equally very important. You'll say, sir, why is it so? Why you are saying that the company alternate tax regime is equally very important? Because as I told you, in November 2020 and Jan 21, this particular alternate tax regime was not targeted in the November 20 and the Jan 21 attempt. Taxation of dividend, students, this is what you all were waiting for, taxation of dividend. So students, taxation of dividend also primary is one of the very important area. Too many change, the entire scheme has changed, and therefore I thought to put across this discussion very thoroughly. We'll do this discussion along with the case study analysis, so as to get a good grip of this new taxation regime so far as the dividend tax is concerned. NRI taxation for a non-resident, it's a very, very important, the individual amendment in respect of the non-resident taxation in so far as the individual tax is concerned. Again, a very important amendment, students. So that is one thing which you should just keep in mind. And the small changes which are being there, double taxation relief, there is a changes which is there on the double taxation relief, MAP, transfer pricing, mutual agreement procedure, which is important amendment which has been made in this insertion of the new rule 44G. People are clueless exactly what this rule is all about. Inserted on 6th of May 2020. So therefore this rule is again going to be an important one. Equalization levy, a new scheme of the equalization levy, and supplementing that 194O TDS section also has been introduced. So this also is one of the very critical area for our deliberation. Transfer pricing, apart from the mutual agreement procedure, transfer pricing students have got a other small change, but even that is something important for your MCQ. TDS, TCS students, there are a lot of changes which is there at various places on TDS and TCS. So what I have done is that I have made a TDS and TCS in such a way that you will find this particular changes in the red, all the changes majorly which are there, but I have given you the entire list of TDS and TCS, and I will do a quick revision with all of you on the TDS and TCS topic also. While I am doing the amendment, I'll do also a quick revision in the flow, in the sequence in which we have to deal with it. Okay, so my analysis also is there. Flow charts have been used to explain the nuances, and thereafter TCS students, big amendments are there in the TCS part. TCS part students, some big amendments are there which are being there, and I will also discuss with all of you students the January 21 inter CA question paper, question number 1, total income question. I'll discuss with all of you the TCS amendment, which the TCS provision, how these people are asking in the tax liability calculation question. Wonderful question, students. We'll discuss that. While I'll discuss with you amendment relating to the TCS, I'll tell you also how you can expect the question in the examination. So it is not only an amendment which is giving you the knowledge, interlinking, all that is a feature of our lecture, but more importantly students, you will also get a great insight about what? About how this particular amendment could be targeted so far as your examinations are concerned. See, these are the new TCS provisions which have been introduced in this regard. So all that is there, students. So this, now you will say, sir, when you are putting the lectures and how you go about it. So students, the lecture, I'll just let you know, lecture link in the PDF file itself, students. What you need to do in the PDF file, which I'm again telling you, this PDF file, where you're going to get it, in my Telegram channel, CA Durgesh Singh. This is the Telegram channel. Okay, now in this CA Durgesh Singh, you will find that the PDF put across on 15th of February. The PDF file is there. Now in the index segment, the third page or so, you will find the link of the lecture. Just click on that link. Now it will directly direct you to the appropriate lecture. This is in the Unacademy Learning app. In the Unacademy Learning app, you can directly go there. Maybe what you need to do is that those who don't have the app, just download this Unacademy. I have given it to you, students, over here. If you see over here, students, just see over here. This instruction, follow this instruction. Follow the profile Durgesh Singh in Unacademy Learning app, and to view the free amendment lecture based on this e-booklet. Use the code CADS. So those who are not doing it live, to unlock the video, you have to use this code CADS. Unlock this code CADS, students. Unlock the video by putting this code CADS, and the video will get unlocked. These are the 5 videos which are being there. Very important amendments which we are going to discuss across it. As far as your May attempt is concerned, many students are saying, have been asking me, sir, whether this attempt would get pushed to June. Students, please don't get into that. You just stick to May. Probably whatever it will happen, whenever it will happen, but don't get into all that kind of a analysis. It is not your job. You just stay focused and be committed to your stuff. Students, at the same time, be in touch in the Telegram channel. I have already done with 2 MTPs, 9 MTP series. Students, I have already done with 2 MTPs. The third MTP, I am going to put it on 19th of February or 20th of February. I'm going to put the third MTPs. All the details, students, I'm putting it in the Telegram channel. Please be in touch so that you get to know all these things. Now also in the description box of this video, I will also put the link of directly the Unacademy Learning app, my lecture link of the amendment lecture link. So in the description box of this video, you will find that link. You can click that link and directly it will take you to the lecture part. So friends, grab your copy and get ready for always considered to be the important area. Amendment is always an important area for the examination, and that is what, students, this is the effort that we have put it across for you to cater it. Okay, see you then, students, for the amendment lecture. One more announcement, students. The amendment lecture which has been there, it starts from Tuesday. In fact, initially it was being announced as Monday, but no, it is not on Monday. It starts from Tuesday 9:30 p.m. The live lecture, we will say Tuesday, so which date? 16th of February 21. 9:30 p.m. to 11:30 p.m. at night. So this is Tuesday, 5 days. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Okay, these are the 5 days. Tomorrow itself I'll start with the non-resident taxation. Tomorrow itself I'm going to start with the non-resident taxation, considered to be one of the very important area of the amendment. So I'll take the technical amendment first, the new area, the amendments first, and then we'll do the small amendments on a later side of the week. But first, the technical amendments. Starting with Tuesday, please ensure to attend live, because if there is any query that you may have, at least I can sort it out, those queries at that particular point of time itself. Okay, students? See you then, students. Starting from Tuesday, we are starting the live lecture at 9:30 p.m. to 11:30 p.m. Fine, students. Take care. Bye-bye.